Number 2. The Shannon-Weaver Model of Communication. Developed by Claude Elwood, the founding father of communication age, and Shannon Warren Weaver. The model has been called the mother of all models, and also the channel in this communication process are mobile phones or telephones. Their goal was to ensure the maximum efficiency of telephone cables and radio waves, and also to assist in developing a mathematical theory of communication. The model have mainly 6 elements: the sender or the information source, the encoder, which is the transmitter, the channel, which signals adopted for transmission. Also, this is where the 6th element happen. The noise, which is a dysfunctional error or simply the one who interferes the communication process. After the channel, we have the decoder, or the receiver of the signals from the channel, and lastly, the receiver or the destination. He will then send feedback to the encoder to make him know that the message was sent. For example, telephone call conversation. Encoder is you, channel is telephone, noise will be the conversation is choppy, decoder is the other telephone, and the receiver is the other person you are talking to. Number 3. The Osgood-Schramm Model of Communication. Developed by Charles Egerton Osgood and later discussed by Wilbur Schramm in his book The Process and Effects of Communication. This model is focused on the sender's way of interpreting things from his receiver, and vice versa. Or simply, having the same thought of a particular idea can make the communication easier. Semantic noise is a concept introduced here. It occurs when the sender and receiver apply different meaning to the same message. It is a circular model, so that communication is something circular in nature. Encoder, who does encoding or sends the message. Decoder, who receives the message. Interpreter, person trying to understand or interpret. Note, from the message starting to ending, there is an interpretation goes on. Based on the interpretation, only the message is received.